Hey, God bless everybody. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Today is June 22nd. Well, there's a lot that we can go ahead and discuss, and I can go ahead and update you guys on the things that have been going on. Today's video is going to be simple and short. Yesterday, I came out and told you guys how discouraged I was of doing YouTube videos because I wasn't getting much likes or much feedbacks and stuff. And then I explained to you guys, what my daughter wrote to me and what she said to me, and how it made me realize that, no matter what, that one view, is the most important view, and that's my daughter's eyes looking at my video. So, this video is in dedication for her. I told her that I would go ahead and create another video, and I would make sure that I include cats. Originally, the idea was to go ahead and do a canvas painting, which I've never tried, and I've learned gracefully as of an hour ago that I'm not good at canvas painting. It's going to take a little bit more practice. So I decided to go ahead and do it all in Photoshop. Gathered all the things that I needed for it. My graphite tablet, my pen for the graphite tablet, and also my Photoshop itself. I needed Photoshop and a couple other files that I needed to go ahead and complete the whole entire set. So in this tutorial, this video, it's just basically a cat looking into the moon. That's it, or a couple of cats looking into the moon. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. If you do want to go ahead and help support my channel, you can always go to artbyrichard.com and order a t-shirt, a painting, or this particular painting will be up on the shop as a canvas print, or you can order yourself a poster. Either way, it helps me out a lot, and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Again, artbyrichard.com. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to comment if you want to comment. Subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notification bell so that way you'll be notified when other videos come up. Alright, again, all the links will be in the bottom of the description. Alright, thank you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless.